Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping ingredients and starting the melt. Chop 200 g dark chocolate into small, even pieces so it melts smoothly. Place with 100 g butter in a heatproof bowl. Once done, set a simmering water bath bowl above, not touching water, and stir until glossy to prevent seizing. While that softens, measure flour, sugar, and baking powder. Whisk dry ingredients briefly to distribute leavening. Make sure the pan is ready, so you pour batter immediately after combining. You now assemble the batter and preserve air. Start by whisking 150 g sugar and 3 eggs until pale and forming a ribbon. When the whisk is lifted, that trapped air gives lift. Slowly stream the warm melted chocolate into the eggs while whisking gently so you don't scramble them. Once combined, fold in 120 g flour and 1 tsp baking powder in thirds. Use a spatula and scoop and fold motions to keep volume. Make sure to stop when streaks disappear. Overmixing deflates. You finish by baking and handling the cake correctly. Pour the batter into the greased 20 cm pan, tap gently to release large air bubbles, then bake at 180 degrees C for 25–30 minutes. Test with a skewer for a few moist crumbs. Once out, cool in pan for 10 minutes so structure sets, then invert onto a rack to cool fully. Chilling firms the crumb for cleaner slices. If the cake cracks or sinks, make sure your oven temperature is accurate. Avoid overbaking, and tent with foil to slow cooling and prevent collapse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.